it's Mr. D and I am welcome you to all to my income engine review. Now in this video I'll tell you about the income engine product, how's it work and my custom bonuses which I give you for free for buy the first and product. Now you also see that I am giving this product for only $2. Its normal price is 17, but when you buy from my link you will get $15 back. All the details are my bonus area which will tell you I later. So the product is all about a cloud-based software which allow you to make websites and publish them and make huge sales in just 3 simple clicks. So let's see in the members area. You might be thinking that why I am giving this software for only $2. So the reason behind is that I am an affiliate of this product. So when you buy from my link, I earn a commission. My commission is $15, so I give you whole $15. So you might also thinking that why I am giving my all money. So I know that this product is very good and you love this product. So when you buy this product, front end product, so I give you $15, but this product is very good, so I know you also buy the upgrades of this product. So when you buy the upgrades, I make some commissions on this. Now I am inside the members area and in this video I will show you how is it work. So I have also a lot of my custom bonuses, you can see there. Let me tell you one by one these. So my first custom bonus is that I am giving you to access to my friend software, the Lost Code and the Awakening. Both are the traffic softwares which can help you to get traffic. Both value are 997. The second bonus is the Fugo Breakout and the Fugo Multiplier. They are also both traffic apps and these are very good. Now my third bonus is I give you my private method so that how you can rank your website on the first page of Google. My next bonus I tell you my successful copywriting method which I use to copyright and make huge amount of money. Next bonus is I give a suite of 16 softwares including funnel builder like ClickFunnels, autoresponder like ActiveCampaign, Shopify, Vimo, Kawaji. All these softwares free account for lifetime which worth 199.7. Next, sixth bonus is a premium hosting with a domain including free training with premium themes and plugins. Now you can uh, publish your own website with free hosting and domain. My next bonus is when you buy from my link you will get instant $5 bonus from me and you can send your email to my list up to 1000 leads per day. Now when you buy from my link you get instant $5 bonus. Now why I am giving to you, when you are buy from my link I earn a commission and I give you a small part of this. After that, $10 bonus giveaway. When you buy from my link you also get $10, but it will take some time. So the total $15 you get from me. It's the product price is $17. So if you buy from my link you will get $15 back. So the product is only for $2 for you. Next I am holding $1500 contest. If you win this contest you can also earn $1500. My next bonus is my email marketing hack which will tell you my email marketing strategies and make huge amount of money. Next bonus I am giving you 40 free bonuses which you can give to your audience to boost your conversions. My next bonus is I am giving you my training so that how you can use these bonuses and make huge money. Next, all vendor bonuses which he provides me to give you. Next, I give you my building the perfect sales funnel training which will tell you how you can build your perfect funnel and make huge amount of money like the big marketers doing. Next, I will give you my case study which how I got 2.9 million visitors. Next, my bonus is I'll give you my personal training of chatbot mastering. 17, you will get fast approval to all of my products which are past or future. You also get premium support from me. Now there are all I have also lot of bonuses like 300 CPA every day, 500 CPA every day, CPA coffee shop, 200 CPA cash, and lots of these are all worth of this huge amount, and these are very good. These are not only PLR products, these are best selling products on the Warrior Plus. You can see their price on there. Now when the product is live on 18th of June 10 a.m., then you can click any of these buttons and activate your bonuses and this softwares. Now I'll tell you about the softwares. Now let's see the sales page. So the sales page looks something like that. This is the click 4 times to activate your own automated mega store like Amazon or eBay, preloaded with ODFY products. These mega stores drive thousands of free hungry buyers to themselves, guaranteeing us autopilot sales. There is a video you can also, there are features, few built-in traffic, send thousands of free buyers to your sites at the press of a button, complete automated site, set them up once and forget about it, free hosting included, your site still be loaded, and there are many of things, and there also a money back guarantee. So there are lots of things you can see in your time, because I am not going this whole. Now let's see in the members area. Now I am inside the members area, and this is the dashboard. You can see here, wait, it will be loaded. This is the dashboard, and here you can see how many total orders you are total order this month, and lot of things. There is a sales engine where you can publish your websites or funnel. Let me load it. With this you can make website like this. I made this in only 5 minutes. See this. Now you can also see their sales history. This one, autoresponder, you can also connect. Let me load it. This is your where you can set your autoresponder. Wait for a second, my net is slow. You can connect any of your autoresponder there. Now you have email swipes, also settings, get started. There are also good tutorial there. Now you can check this whole through. This is very good. I also purchased from mine, and if you buy from my link which is down below this video, you will get $15. So you only have to spend $2 on the product. With you also get my all bonuses for free with the first end product. Now let me tell you about its prices and upsells. So its front end is $17, upgrade 1 is $67, upgrade 2 $97, upgrade 3 $47, upgrade 4 $67, fifth $47, sixth $47, 7 $67, eighth $127. They are also key features very good. You can see in your, so check it out in your own time. Now when this product is live, you can buy from click by any of these links below, which is down below of this video. You can get $15, and with all of my bonuses in your Warrior Plus history, you can access from there your bonuses with complete. You have to do nothing, only just to buy first end product from me through my link which is down below of this video, and check it out this whole page. Now these the bonuses up to 9 are only for 100 people who buy from my list. I already gone 49 seats. People buy from my email list, so you have chance to win all of this. So buy now from my link, and I see you in the